We make a figure 8 to the right, to the left. We hip to the front and we come back to the back. So we make sure to twist those hips like this, and we move the heels along. So the opposite heel is going to hit while the opposite hip is moving front and back. We move from the back, it's gonna look like this, and I'm going to really twist those hips front and back. I don't forget to bring them forward and backwards all the way. And we twist right, twist left. Keep going. Try to make it looking smooth. There you go.